8024 16th Avenue Northwest. Doing a camera inspection from a clean out on the south side of the home. Sitting down at the tie-in with the neighbor right there. That is a 6-inch diameter Y on that side, coming back through 4-inch diameter liner. Coming back into the PVC repair in the driveway. Coming up on the skip here for one of the tie-ins. Downspout tie-in around the top of the pipe there. Turn. Going along the south side of the house now. A little bit of a low spot there. There's that other gap for the other downspout tie-in on the corner here. Into the repair, popping up out of the clean out here. There's the access point. There's our access. I'm going to pause the recording and go to the other clean out on the other side. Alright, we are currently sitting in that Y that was in the driveway. That last portion of the recording was going off that branch arm to the left there, going to the kitchen line side on the south. Now we're pulling back on the north side line. 4-inch diameter liner. No skips on this side. Back up into the clean out. There's our access point. North side of the house. Gonna end the recording here.